Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card on Samsung Galaxy A27. Okay, so first we need to take off the SIM card tray. To do it, we need to use the SIM eject tool. Simply place it in this small hole, just like that, and then push it gently. I mean, you have to use a little bit of a pressure. Now, as you take a look, it jumps out. Now, use your nail to take it off. And now we can place our SIM card on the tray. Right in here. Place it properly. Just like that. And then place the tray back in. Click on OK. And now we have our SIM card. We can, for example, already launch the mobile data. And as you go to settings, then connections, SIM manager, you can see that we have our SIM card and it's turned on. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.